G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's February 24, 2023. This is the US dollar basket update. From our last update here, the CCI is broken up through its moving average, and that's in continuation of the day on the hourly chart, with the moving average on the CCI as well going into a bullish momentum along with the price, which is a nice sign. Now you'll notice the daily is still well below its moving average, but it's making new highs. Well, it's coming to reach this recent high there. Now it's broken up through the 23% Fibonacci on the retracement on this daily chart. So it may well hit the 38% level in the coming days or even weeks. If you look on the 4-hour chart, you'll notice that pretty much aligns with this secondary descending trend line. So it may well hit that, but there's no sign of any further resistance if it reaches there. It may come back and retrace to the downside slightly, but it looks like it may actually get to that point initially. Now if it breaks through that upper trend line, and then we've got some further targets possibly at the 38% level at around 1050 or 10600 roughly. So there is some further upside there if it breaks above that descending trend line. But again, just be mindful, the hourly chart is showing it's reached the overbought territory, so we may see a bit of a retracement somewhat to the downside possibly. So again, there's no guarantees it's going to break through that in a straight line. It may well come back and have a few ups and downs in the meantime. To understand how to properly trade using the average down process, reference the playlist at the end of the video and some links in the description below. Here are some of my investing rules. Buy proven blue chip stocks only, avoid speculative stocks. The reason for that is blue chip stocks have generally got a good history and a good track record, and you want to avoid going speculative because you're not sure where that stock, especially if it hasn't got any history, you want to avoid making just guesses or gambling on potential trades. Buy stocks which pay dividends. The reason for that is if the price goes against you and you're not closing out according to gaining a profit in the short term, at least you're getting some level of income via dividends. If the stock price goes against you, don't short positions, go long only. So again, similar to the blue chip environment, if you're going to go short, you're basically speculating, and if you are going short and you have to pay dividends, the dividends will be paid to those traders that are going long, so that'll be just an extra cost in your trade. And don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. If all the insiders have generally benefited from any inside knowledge of the news, and so by the time it hits the websites or the papers, you're getting late on the bus, so you're going to be missing out on any potential gains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all the updates to the channel. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.